Welcome back to Spread Puddin'. So I've used a few of them before in other videos, but I want to start back to get back to basics and talk about functions. So basically a function is a special tool to return a value. The value can be just about anything. It's really just an easier way to write a number or to refer to other cells and do different things with them. So the syntax for a function in Excel or OpenOffice is to write an equal sign, then the name of the function, I'm just putting function, and then 2 parentheses. That's the skeleton for a function. Now, since that's not a real one, here's one for example. Say we want to get a pretty accurate number for pi and always have it be the same number, and we never want to have to just type 3.1415 over and over and over again, because that's redundant. You can just type equals pi, and it even comes up with a little tooltip, parentheses, parentheses, and it gives us pi. And it's pretty long. You can make it even longer by adding decimal places. That's the utility of the function. You can get this really accurate number over and over again just by typing 4 characters. So most functions require a certain amount of input. This one doesn't, for example. There's some other ones that don't. I used this in an earlier video in the dice roller video. It's the random function. It gives us a random, not a really random number, but a good enough random number between 0 and 1. And if you want to make it different, or if you want to make it, say you want to make it like a 6-sided die, you would take your random number, multiply by 6, equals that times 6. Now we sort of have what we want, but it needs to be rounded up. So we use a different function that does require an input. Ceiling. It actually requires 2 pieces of input. I'm just going to gloss over this for now because I'll get to multiple parameter functions later. Parameters being different inputs that you need. And there we go. It'll give us random numbers between 1 and 6. There's our 6. And I'm pressing F9 to reload. This works for everything. There's our 1. Okay. Another 0 input function is now, which returns, let's see what it returns. It gave us these 3 pound signs. All that means in Excel or OpenOffice is that we need more space to display the function or whatever you're putting. So double click at the end of the column. Okay, now gives us the date and the time. Another one is similar to now. It's today equals today, and it gives us just the date and not the time. I guess that's really all I wanted to cover in this segment. The next video will be multiple parameter functions. Parameter is a fancy word for inputs. Thanks for watching.